It starts with a drive, but not just any drive, a winding journey through the heart of the Colorado National Monument featuring towering red rock walls and cliffside views. Then you get there, tucked above the monument in a quiet, close-knit community where space, stillness, and sky stretch wide in every direction. And right here, on 35 acres in the ranches at Elk Reserve, is your chance to create something truly special. This land isn't just a parcel, it's a canvas. Build your dream home surrounded by panoramic views, rugged terrain, and room to breathe. Out here, there's no traffic, no noise, just the sound of wind in the brush and the call of distant wildlife. With plenty of buildable area, unique topography, and unmatched tranquility, this is where off-the-grid peace meets possibility. So if you're looking for privacy, potential, and a daily dose of jaw-dropping nature, this might just be your next move. Glade Park, Colorado, where the journey in is part of the story, and the land is waiting for what comes next. Contact Christina Sadler to find out more today.